Today I will show you two ways to find the table behind the field. I open the transaction SU01 and I want to know in which table the username developer is stored. So I can press F1 and then technical information, and here we see table name, field name and so on. But this is not a table, this is a structure. Now I can do a double click on the data element and then I can search for the table fields in where this data element is used. But we see the result set is really big. And yeah, here we could see the table USR02. But there is another way. So I go here back and I open that transaction on my second window, ST05. Now I check the checkbox SQL trace and I activate the trace. Then I go back to my window number 1 and I click here on display. Then back to window 2 and deactivate trace on all instances. Then let's display the trace. We check here SQL trace, date and time is the current date and current time. Then I click on execute. And here we see the different statements. We see here the select statements, and we see here the different tables which are used to display the data in these masks. So let's copy the table USR02. We open the transaction SE16 and let's browse the data in this table. And here we see the username developer. So, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to click like. Do you have any questions or tips of your own? Post them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and become part of the community and make sure you don't miss any future videos. Take care and see you in the next video.